Wow, look at this. Oh my god. Oh, I need to go out. Says no bams. I'm a bam, I can't come in. Cheers, bro. All the best. Onwards. All that for that. I planned that wee bit. That wasn't ad-lib, that was pure planned. The Faster Master's a liar. Everything's just set up. I actually set it up, but I set it up for across the road, literally. I thought about it there and then did it there. That's about as much planning as I'm willing to do for no one. My friends, we've got many things here in Glasgow City Centre. We've got balloon making, we've got the Communist Party. I'm not even commenting, I'm not even commenting on it. I don't know what's going on. There's something going on in there. I don't know what that is. I don't know what's going on. I heard somebody saying the same as me. Don't know what that is. We've got a WTF over here. Is that slang for something? What is going on here? I won a prize for watching 3 minutes of video. Wow, what is happening here? Listen, you win a prize for watching any minutes of my video. It's that bad. The part's that bad. If you watch any minutes of my video, you win a prize. It says you win a prize for watching 3 minutes of a video.
Yes.
If you watch any minutes of my video, you'll win a prize because the part is so bad that on my videos. That's it. Good joke. Good joke. See you later on. All the best. Apparently not. Well, there's a rolling sleeping bag. There'll be a tumbleweed because of my patter. Somebody's lost their sleeping bag. Somebody lost their sleeping bag, my friends. Sleeping bag. We have a sleeping bag rolling. We have our sleeping bag down. Central station. Entrance or exit, depends how you look at it. Oh, matron. We've got Alston bar and beef. I hope you have no beef. You're an annoying YouTuber. Entering your premises, drawn in by the blue lighting. Like a moth, an aqua moth. What's it like down here? Wow, can I even get in? I feel like I'm in a glass cage of emotion. I'm stealing the patter from Anchorman. Camera on me, boy. Focus. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Hi there. I'm an annoying YouTuber and I'm drawn in by your beautiful lighting. Can I film that lighting of your bar there for YouTube? Thank you so much. Thank you. There we go, my friends. Look how beautiful that is. Wow, that's amazing. I like that. Look at this. Look at that. It's like an under. You can draw through there. See that? That's amazing. Look at this, my friends. It's actually flickering as well. They've got a wee attention to detail here. Hiya. Sorry, buddy, my friend. That's beautiful in here. It's amazing. Never knew this existed. I just seen it as I was coming out of Central Station. That's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Is it the dining room?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. That's what I love. Look at this. The hospitality.
This is the bar area.
Look at this. It smells amazing. It smells like a well-cooked steak. Look at this. There we go, my friends. Come here. Christmas is done. New Year is over. Now we start to spend time with our loved ones. Look at that. I love that wee bit there. You can sit. That's beautiful. Wow. Ray-Bans. Oh, it's a push. He pulled. He pulled. Hi, how you doing, my friend? I am an annoying YouTuber. Can I try on some of your sunglasses to show how amazing it is in here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much. Well, I like these ones. Wow, look at that. There you go. We're getting ready for the summer, my friends. Beautiful atmosphere in here. I've got forbidden melodies in the background, so I'm going to speak over that with my usual amazing patter. But these are nice as well. Look at that. There we go. I look like an assassin. There we go. I think we've annoyed the people in here enough, but that's beautiful. Onwards, my friends. Extra obnoxious for 2025. Open sesame. There we go. Wow, camera. Oh God, I crashed into the door. Oh no, I broke a door. Your door's broken. Sorry about that, guys. What's happening with your door? The door's not working right. Anyway, onwards, my friends. Wow, look at this. It's nice, isn't it? Wow, it's a wee bar. Why have you got toilet rolls, lights? We got a pool table here. Wow, can anybody use this? Can I come here and use your pool table for, what's the charge? Wow, it's amazing. Price per play, only £1. I'm coming back here. The cloth, it looks good. I'm touching cloth, my friends. I'm touching cloth. Look at that, Dakota. Remember we were in there? The cigar room, that was beautiful. Did that just before Christmas. An amazing day. Listen, I'm going to be very honest with you, my friends. I'm feeling, I don't know what it is. I'm feeling it difficult to push the button today. And I don't mean push the record button, I mean to push the button and push myself. I'm finding it difficult. But I'm pushing on, and I thought, oh, how hide this. And I thought, no, don't hide it. Just press the red button and tell people, because this is the real reason the channel is, you know, useful. It's no, obviously you get to see inside hotels, and that's nice. 50k, 50 frames a second, 4K. But you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Aye, so some days it's more difficult than others. There's a huge gang coming from the right of me. Mate, defend yourself at all costs. Their numbers will be meaningless in one straight line. Right, find me an alley. That's what you do when a gang's following you. What you do is you find an alley and you go up it, because then their numbers will be meaningless in one straight line. Do you know what I mean? That's alright, they're in a night out. Enjoy your night out, guys. I was ready for war and battle there. Thank you. Anyway, you can see I'm full with paranoia and doubt, imposter syndrome, all sorts of things tonight, and I don't know why. I don't know why, but I'm going to find out. And do you know how I'm going to find out? In this playground of Glasgow. I'm going to find out tonight, because I'm going to go in different places. I'm going to look people in the eyes. I'm going to try and be as honest and as loving as I can be, knowing that they're doing a job and I'm doing a job and so on. And aye, we'll see what happens, and I'll report back to you shortly. Onwards, my friends. Wow. Please wait. Awesome. How you doing, my friend? I'm an annoying YouTuber, and you specialise in meat, is that correct?
Yes.
You're a meat specialist. What is this? Is a steakhouse or something like that? Is there anything I can film just to capture the atmosphere for YouTube?
Absolutely.
Thank you very much, my friend. That's nice wee bit. I'll not destroy I'll not destroy your customers. I'll not disturb your customers. Your bar looks beautiful. So is it specialising in steak? How you doing, my friend? That's nice. I like these. Look at this. You can sit here. Nice wee bit of lighting. Proper bulbs. None of your LED. That's proper bulbs there on there. I like that. Thank you so much, my friends. I hope you have a lovely evening. There we go. That's nice. I'll show you the menu. Show you the menu here. So there you go. You just can decide. Hope there's no copyright. But look at this. Wow. I like your horns, mate. There we go. Onwards, my friends. Onwards. Wow. Open the door. Open sesame. There we go. So he almost appreciated you specialise in meat patter. Thank you for your service. Look at this, like a moth. Get the LED bulbs changed and get flames in there. I want to go back to the 1800s, apart from all the disease and famine and death and misery. Yes, but what is this? This is Sovereign House. They even get normal milk delivered, look. Well, you can't see it, it's too dark probably, but they've got like bottled milk here. Look. See that? Actual bottled milk. Things change for the poor, not for the rich. Oh, look what we found, my friends. The gold standard of sketchy alleys. Look at this. There's one light in there. Somebody get that light taken out. I want to be in the sketchiest alley. I've got music in my ears, so I won't even hear the assassins coming. What have we got? I've packed it in here. You've got an exercise bike. Oh, look at this. Hold on. Let me get a shot in this. Hold on. Oh my god, there's only one pedal and the saddle's soaking. This isn't what it cracked up to be. Hold on, face track enabled. That's what it says. What am I looking at? Hold on, my friends. Let me flip it so you can see. There we go. There's like something up there. People overlooking me. Cycling. Oh. Now my arse is wet. Brilliant. I hope that's rain. Somebody's been eating a pizza while cycling. I like your style. Calories in, calories out. Onwards, my friends. I've got one wet arse cheek. It's a bit of an unusual alley, this one, isn't it? You've got the bottle here of acai, I can't even pronounce it. You've got a pint glass there, a bit of class. Don't know if you can even actually see anything. It is very dark here. It's very dark. This is the darkest alley I've been in. Like, camera up, focus camera. There we go. There's a car, I think. Yes, it is. So where does this take us out to? There we go. Back to reality. Tell you what, this camera's annoying because it keeps going down the way. I don't know why. It's like a depressed camera. Keeps looking down. Up, up, up. Rufus T. Firefly. I've not been in here for about 20 years. Let's see what it's like. We're going to let an annoying YouTuber in. Mate, I've not been in for 20 years, what's it like? Wow, it's got loud forbidden melodies. How do my friend? I am an annoying YouTuber and I've not been in here for 20 years. Well, it's got a pool table and it's rowdy. I feel like I'm in one of the American bars. There's not going to be a fight soon, is there? I hope no, mate. Wow. I've not been in here for years. I remember having hair the last time I was in here. Oh, it's no change. It's no change, my friends. Look up there, you've got the puggy, you've got the area here. Love it though. Atmospheric. Get the pool table, boys. Man, I better get here before I get myself in some bother with the forbidden melodies. Not the people love me. What is this? Listen, we're just 100% tonight, my friends. Because I'm feeling anxiety, I'm just like, boom, onwards. Is it going to open? No, it's not. It's an automatic door that's not automatic. You're a liar. You've got a code, it's a pin door. It's not an automatic door, it's unautomatic. Onwards, my friends. Nice lighting though, nice lighting. Las Iguanas. I didn't stand here for 2 minutes trying to work out how to pronounce that. No, I didn't. Anyway, my friends, onwards. I am an annoying YouTuber and I love Latin music. That means I should get free entry. Wow, I've already started, so I shall continue, even though I'm already cringe. Wow, it's a cactus tree. I love it, I've never seen that before. It's amazing. You've got a beautiful bar here, there's a mirror. How you doing? I'm an annoying YouTuber, I'm drawn in by your lighting. Is this a Latin place? Is this a Latin place? Does that mean I can dance in it? Badly?
Unfortunately not. And you can if you really want to.
And they won't appreciate that. Thank you so much. Hope you have a good year. All the very best. Oh, I like that. That's amazing. I want that on my wall. There you go. So I'm going to look like by the end of the night. I've not eaten enough. I know, Caroline, I will eat. I like that. Hiya. That's beautiful. I like it. Beautiful bar. I like the lighting. Honours, my friends. There we go. Sorry, I'm an annoying YouTuber. I had to press it. I'm an annoying YouTuber, yes. Can I get you my vlog?
Yes, sure.
There we go.
Hi.
Happy New Year. You having a good day?
Yes, we came to George Square. These are my two friends.
Hi, yeah. How you doing?
And we met up for the first time in ages.
Oh, really? Aye? Oh, Faster Master TV. Faster Master TV.
That's cool.
The reason it's called that is like, you know, you get certain habits in life
Yeah.
and you want to break them. So I move so fast that I forget to think about the habits that keep me held down.
All right,
But I don't move so fast that I'm insensitive. So it's kind of like that kind of thing. So you move so fast to break your old habits and you can create a better life for yourself and the people you love. But you don't move so fast that you're insensitive to them and yourself. So that's what the challenge is about.
Very
Thank
nice
you so
to
much.
meet you. Thank
You
you
too,
very
all the very best, and thank you for the advice.
No worries.
Onwards.
Thank
Thank you. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the red. Sorry, mate. I'm just capturing the red. The red, I just love it. I'm like a moth. Wow, look at that. The green thing complements it, but it's a bit annoying. Health and safety gone mad when it starts to ruin atmosphere. Let's move onwards. What do we have here? The spiritualist. I can smell that type of herb again. We've been in there before. It does look nice. Let's see if Murphy's is open, my friends. Is it opened yet? It is. Look, there's Murphy's there. This is amazing. Bar. Do they have forbidden melodies? Slowly down, camera. Come on now. There we go. Look at this. As you walk on by. Down here they've got 2 rooms, right? And I'll show you both of them, hopefully. Actually, I've been in here, but where's the room with the... Is it here? Where's the one with the fireplace? You have a room with a fireplace, do you not? You have a room? Hey, my friend. Do you see... Ah, there it is. Can I film your fire? Thank you so much, my friend. This is it's a brilliant week. See when the city centre's packed and full of chaos. I came in here with my friends and we sat over there and it was amazing. We kind of chill out, a wee private bar. I love it. Thank you so much, mate. Thank you. There we go. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, we're here for the atmosphere. We're here for the atmosphere like a moth. Let's get a wee drink. But thank you so much for joining me. It's a random wee walk through Glasgow city centre. It's quite quiet, other than shoppers and eaters. But normal service is resumed. Thank you so much and all the very best.